why affiliate marketing is best and it's hot right now. So let me talk about business in general. So what do we need in the business, right? So we're gonna have, we have to create a product or fry product, right? So we have product here. And then after we create a product, then we have to market, right? So because we want to make some cash, we have to market. And then after we market it and people get interested, people want to buy it, now it's a phase of sale. Then after we sell, what we do, we have to fulfill it. Doesn't matter what it is. If you do have a physical product, then you have to ship them, right? Have to ship it. But if you're doing coaching or your agency, then it's another story. Then you have to basically fulfill that coaching period or fulfill your agency promises. Then hopefully you guys can see this. And then after you fulfill it, what happened? You have to have customer service as always, right? Because you want to make sure that whatever we deliver is good and is satisfied with customer. So let's talk about that. So let's say if you are the business owner, so you're the one and talk about affiliate marketer. If you can't read my handwriting, just follow along what I say. So yeah, let products. How long does it take for you to create a product? Or maybe research the product if you do a white label or a private label, right? Take about at least to create a product at least. And if you're shipping from China, can take at least a few months. So let's say we say 6 weeks. Let's say 6 to 8 weeks, right? And we're gonna put all the energy, 100% to focus on creating product, find a product to get it to our warehouse, right? So that is 100% on the product part. Then if you look at affiliate marketing, we can start making money on day one because the products or the service is ready for us to market. So day one, we don't have to do anything here at all. 0% of work. 0% of work is great, right? So we don't have to create product, fry product, or do anything to deal with products, right? So we are ready to go. Day one. Then, after you get a product to your warehouse or you build all your products or your services, then you have to market it, right? So after you market it, you have to focus on marketing 100%. So 100% there, right? So this is where all the work for affiliate marketing going to be, which is 100% to market, right? We put a lot of energy into this marketing phase. Okay, next. Now, if you create your own services, products, then the next thing you're gonna create sale, right? So you have to sell it. You market people interested in your products. Now it's time for you to sell for those people that interested in your product. So how many percentage? I would say at least 10%, right? You put 10% on sale. Then think about on affiliate marketing, because we leverage someone else's services or products, we don't have to do the sale. Basically, we just marketing the product that we believe in and feed it to the owner or the product's order to sell. So we put what, 0% work there, right? 0% work there. Then think about this. If we take it, if we take 10% of the 10, we have what, 90% left, right? That they can focus on. Then we move after we make a sale. Then you have to fulfill it, right? So you ship them, delivery, service, whatever you're selling. This is gonna be the part. I would say 20%. All right. So now 20% have to take it from somewhere, right? So we have to take it from here. Then we have what left? 70% left. And then on this side, we don't have to do fulfilling because we don't deal with products. We just referral. We just basically drive traffic to get, to that product or services. We don't have to do all the sale. We don't have to do the fulfilling. So that's 0% effort for affiliate marketer. Then after you fulfill it, then you have to support your products, right? So then you have to have like 10% to support your product. So that's 10% have to take from there. So now you have 60% left to focus on marketing. So as you can see that we don't have to deal, as affiliate marketer, we don't have to deal with customer service because we deliver it to the business owner or service owner here, and they all do all the work. So this is my strategy that I learned from my mentor. So basically you put 20% of your effort, but then you gain profit between 40 to 60%. And if you're in a business for a long time, 40 to 60% is a big margin. It's a big profit margin that we as a business owner want to focus on. So anyway, this is why affiliate marketing is the best, especially if you're a beginner. This is gonna be no-brainer because you don't have to deal with this, or this, right? We just focus on 100% on marketing, and that you have to deal with. And if you see a lot of business owner or services, they're smart enough that since they can't really focus on this 100%, basically create an affiliate program for us to market it. This is the smart way to do business as well. If you have a physical or product or services, but you want the organic traffic without have to pay unless you make a sale, then you want to basically have a referral program or affiliate program for affiliate marketer to basically drive traffic for you. So this is why as an affiliate marketer, this is the best business model that I come across. So if you are interested in this business model, click the button below here to learn the high ticket affiliate, because the high ticket gonna make you get your dream quicker, sooner. So I will see you on the other side. Bye now.